Hi, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. It is January 2023, and I'm here at the buffet at the Excalibur. What I want to do real quick is take you on a tour so you can see the physical space. On this channel, we never make you watch us eat, but I will show you all of the food on the buffet so that you have an idea of what to expect. What I've just shown you is the check-in line. It moves really, really quick. They've got some self-service kiosks, which are closed right now. They also have an express line for gold and higher members of the In Life program. Right as you get in, there is the dessert station. All of this stuff looks great. I'm not normally a huge dessert person. I tried two different things off of this station, which I'll talk about as I get over to them. But all of it's obviously individually plated and ready to go. The thing that I enjoyed tremendously was this bread pudding. And the sauce was a little bit soupy for me, but that bread pudding was fantastic. You can see them making the ice cream here in the ice cream machine. Make your ice cream cone as you would like. I also had some of the cannolis. I didn't enjoy those as much. The cream was pretty thick, and there actually wasn't much sweetness to it at all. I would have enjoyed that to be a little bit different. As you can see, it's a really big seating area, and it's convenient to get in and get seated very quickly. The service has been fine, but you don't actually need a lot because the drinks are self-serve. All of the non-alcoholic drinks are included in the price of your buffet. I think before a tip, I paid $31 in change. I'm here in the morning. It is currently about 8:30. I got here at about 5 minutes after 8. And it's open from 8 to 3 every day, and they always have a brunch menu. It's slightly more expensive on the weekends, but it's the same menu all the time. One of the real superstars of this buffet, for me, is the sparkling water machine, a nice low-calorie drink, which was a good option. But they have 3 of those beverage stations set up around the edge of the buffet. If you would like to get a drink, they are happy to sell you one of those. The alcoholic drinks aren't included as part of the buffet. You can get an all-you-can-drink package or buy the drink. Honestly, though, the all-you-can-drink package isn't much more. Let's go take a look at it. Yeah, of course. So yeah, $15 for all-you-can-drink off of a fairly limited menu. That's the champagne they're using. We're now at the Mexican station. Oh, I should have tried some of those El Pastor roasted chicken legs. I did not do that. The migas look a little runny, but have all the right ingredients with them. I tried the pozole. I would have enjoyed a little bit more flavor, a little bit more oregano, salt, and pepper in it, but it was still fine. You have sushi, self-serve, and quite a few options. Oddly, you don't have as many Asian dim sum options as I've seen on some buffets, but still, you have a miso soup, a tofu, rice, mixed vegetables, and then you get around to some of the breakfast items. Sausage, bacon, scrambled eggs, breakfast potatoes. You have a made-to-order egg station, which has been moving really, really quickly. I've been impressed with how quickly that line has moved. And while they've got the mixed eggs, they've also got real eggs back there. What I enjoyed instead of the egg station was the Carvery station. The brisket was a little dry, but it was fine. I actually enjoyed the barbecue sauce. The sausage was surprisingly good. I had some of the kielbasa, and the kielbasa was fantastic. But you can tell they've got a whole lot of good choices there. They have some roasted vegetables. Those are a little bit hard to get to. You've got a repeat of some of your standard breakfast items. Biscuits and gravy. Pancakes and syrup and French toast. And some fruit, which I'll be honest, I should be eating more of on this trip. Another station with the breakfast potatoes, cinnamon rolls, and fried chicken. So I was surprised. I am not a big fan of buffet fried chicken. And to be fair, it's hard to keep it crisp, right? And this wasn't, but it was actually pretty good. It was reasonably moist. I enjoyed the fried chicken, and that is absolutely something I would get again. The pizza, I would not, right? Like the bread was kind of thick. The bread was dried out, and it was bread rather than a pizza dough. The mashed potatoes were fantastic. They had all of the butter, I think, in Nevada. Now, being a good Texas country kid, I thought it was weird that there wasn't any gravy anywhere by the mashed potatoes. Pardon me, folks. They have over here mussels and shrimp cocktail. That's one of the things I enjoy on any buffet. And they've actually got a real nice little salad station here. A Caesar. They say they have marinated artichokes. That's not what that is. That is an Israeli couscous. I enjoyed some of the roasted beet salad. And a little bit more of a salad bar. Coming over here, you have some of the simple breakfast items. Like if you want yogurt, they've got strawberry yogurt and plain yogurt. They have oats, oatmeal and grits. And then your breakfast breads. And one of the options I honestly really appreciate is the cereal. So again, this is the Luxor Buffet. It is a Tuesday morning in January of 2023. And in terms of a base summary of this, would I come here again? Maybe. Like, it was fine. I wound up not quite finishing my plate of food. There was nothing wrong with it. They're just better places to get calories in Vegas. For the same price point, I would probably go to the all-you-can-eat buffet over at the Palms. But if I'm in this hotel, yeah, it's not a bad option. Now, the Chin Chin at the New York, one hotel to the north, has a hidden breakfast buffet. It's good. The Luxor Buffet, one hotel at the south, is probably a little bit better. But this buffet is fine. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, we would really appreciate your support for the channel by having you click like and subscribe. What we try to do at Dine Drink Vegas is bring you short and focused videos so you've got the information you need to know what to expect on your next trip to Vegas. We'd appreciate if you would tell your friends about it, and we would love to answer your questions and your comments in the comment section below because we love to hear from our viewers. Thanks so much, and happy travels.